Hello everyone, welcome back this video. I want to create this type of dashboard UI design using Jetpack Compose. So if you want to create this type dashboard, so watch this video. The main point is without any line code I will create this design using AI. So let's start this video. So you can see this is our prompt. Using this prompt I will generate this UI design. So now I will create new project in Android Studio, empty activity. So this project creating. Now I will copy this prompt and back to Android Studio and input this prompt in Genemy. If you go to Genemy and first of all you open, then you have sign up to Google. I already signed login, so we can see my code auto write and I accept. Those is material, theme and app colors. So guys, wait a few minutes, our main code creating. So there you can see the colors. Now you can see guys, my code is ready. You can see, simply I accept. Now I import this color, simply alt plus enter and you can see color import. Now we can see main activity, our dashboard UI skin code is ready. Now there are some error. There are material icon not import. You can see icons default material icon. This is the error. So now I will solve this. We need to add one dependency, material icon. Using this dependency we easily import and these icons. You can see. Now I will add this, go widgets and just paste over here. I will provide this dependency in description. You can see this description and just sync. Wait a few minutes guys. After syncing you can see the error solved. Now see what happened. Our error will be solved. Wait a few minutes. Now you can see our error solved. Now you can see that no error here. Now simply I will run this in my app, Android app. You can use emulator. I prefer to use your personal Android device, then this is will fast to install app. Guys, wait a few minutes, the app install. Now you can see I will mirror this screen. Now see guys, this design completely create. You can see the navigation bar, bottom bar look like professional, very cool design. Now this is dashboard. The clean code, using clean code designed this design. You can see the all functions are very clean code. So guys, this is my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and like this video. See you next video.